Sa likod ng bawat gawain sa Commu, may mga pusong handang mag-alay ng oras at lakas. Ngayon, ating kilalanin ang isa sa ating masisipag na volunteer.
Ayun! Hello! Kamusta ka?
Okay naman. Katatapos lang ng session namin for today.
Nice! Okay.
Ayun po, I am Faith Margaret Abiera and I am currently po the team leader of Team Kabataan here at Liwanag at Dunong Project. Actually, parang super silver lining ng Liwanag at Dunong for me kasi I discovered their Facebook ad at the time na when I was at my lowest. So parang nung time na yun, talagang naghahanap ako ng something that is worth living for. Kasi nung time na yun, I felt like I lost my passion for teaching and generally my spark. Pero nung I first volunteered here sa Liwanag at Dunong, parang it served as a fresh start for me. Since during my college days, I have been engaged in extracurricular activities involving extension and outreach. Pero sa experience ko dito sa Liwanag at Dunong, it's more than just an outreach, a one-time thing. Talagang paglilingkod siya sa isang community, which I am very grateful to be a part of. First time na nag-volunteer ako dito sa Liwanag at Dunong, hindi ko siya talagang hindi ko siya nagawang tuloy-tuloy kasi ang struggle ko before is yung finances ko kasi syempre I live in Manila area, so napakalayo ng Tarlac sa Manila. So kahit nandun yung puso ko, may time talaga na hindi kinakaya ng budget, hindi rin kinakaya ng oras, pero by the time na nakagraduate ako and talagang nakahanap ako ng work, sabi ko na paglalaanan ko talaga to go back. Changes, siguro bukod sa, I feel happier and feel ko mas nagka-purpose yung life ko. Kasi na-realize ko through Liwanag at Dunong na kahit pakiramdam mo nawalan ka ng spark in life general, hindi mo need magkaroon ng spark to be alive to other people. Kasi sila mismo, they can serve as a light sa'yo, especially in times na parang feel mong dark ng everything, na ang perception ng mga tao sa labas ng Liwanag at Dunong is that we bring light to people, to the community. Pero for me, it's the other way around. Na parang through Liwanag at Dunong and itong community natin, parang dito ako nagkaroon ng light. Dito nag-start, ma-ignite ulit yung fire ko for teaching and for serving people. Actually, yung session namin today, hindi siya yung pinaka-organized, but I think isa siya sa mga pinaka-impactful since nag-start ako sa pag-volunteer teaching dito sa Team Kabataan, which took me back a little nung time na una akong pinagkatiwalaan nila Tining, nila Kuya Stum to lead the kids. Kahit pa totally stranger lang ako sa kanila and ang alam lang nila is may background ako sa teaching. So talagang bukod sa community na nag-iintay sa amin Lumaleg, talagang yung paniniwala ng mga kapwa volunteer, sobrang laking tulong siya. Hindi lang para ma-empower yung community, but to also empower people like me na kahit ano yung past mo, kahit ano yung pinagdadaanan mo, you can serve the community. And to the activities kanina na ginawa namin, nagkaroon ako ng hope for our future, for our country, na these children, kahit pa nakakaranas sila ng diskriminasyon, kahit pa pakiramdam nila lagi silang nahuhuli, there is hope for our country, there is hope for these children, as long as there are people who will support initiatives like this, na may mga ganong hindrances, na pinopost ang society sa ganitong context ng mga batang ito. Nakita ko as their teacher, as one of their teachers, na may mga pangarap sila na hindi siya imposible, especially with the help of people na maniniwala din sa kanila, like how other people believed in me na kaya kong mag-volunteer. At ano pa ba? Sobrang nag-transform yung vision ko as an educator when I started my volunteering dito sa Liwanag at Dunong. Kasi before, ang goal ko as a teacher nung pag-graduate ako, since super idealistic, talagang to give quality education to every Filipino children. Pero nung na-meet ko itong mga batang ito, talagang nag-shift siya na parang more than giving quality education, we must ensure as educators na talagang every child is included and every child is given an opportunity to learn, na we should work together to make education not just a privilege but to also acknowledge that it is the right of all children, all Filipino children.
Teacher Faith, Head of Team Kabataan, thank you so much for sharing that. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Sana masaya yung araw mo. Balik na tayo sa assessment. Thank you din talaga.
Thank you po!
Okay.
Super active yun. Thank you po!